Microsoft says it cannot give a date for Exchange Server Subscription Edition Cumulative Update 1. AI-driven bug reports increased validation and testing work. Monthly security payloads are being rolled into an internal CU1 build. Expect monthly updates rather than a single CU release date. The Exchange team asked, "Where's Exchange CU1 anyway?" The ship date moved from end of H1 2026 to H2 2026, and now to TBD. They will only release CU1 when it is stable and not immediately superseded. AI tools surface issues fast. Each flagged item requires human validation and reproduction. Fixes need regression testing across Exchange features. That verification loop can delay a consolidated CU release. Release engineers and Exchange admins face a trade-off. Fewer back-to-back major updates, but a longer wait for CU1. Plan maintenance for ongoing monthly updates. Next, Excel Copilot retirement. Then, Firefox for iOS experimental ad blocker. Microsoft will retire the Copilot worksheet function on September 14, 2026. Copilot debuted in August 2025 in preview. Copilot features remain available via the Copilot side pane. If you used Copilot in production, replace those formulas. Microsoft advised Copilot was preview only and outputs need review. Migrate to the Copilot side pane or supported automation APIs. Firefox for iOS is rolling out an optional ad blocker. The feature is experimental and off by default. It uses an easy list-based filter and blocks many third-party ads, pop-ups, and overlays. It does not block search result ads or sponsored Firefox home content. AI changes workflows in advertising. AI speeds issue discovery but raises triage overhead. AdBlock Plus warns conversational AI can create new ad formats that are harder to block. Expect monthly security payloads for Exchange rather than a fixed CU1 date. Replace Copilot formulas before September 14, 2026. Test Firefox iOS ad blocking to confirm its coverage. Primary sources are in the description below. The register articles cover Exchange CU1, Excel Copilot retirement, and Firefox iOS ad blocking.